Today we're diving into the world of smart home cleaning with a focus on the best robot vacuums you can buy in 2026. Robot vacuums have come a long way. They're no longer just luxury gadgets, they are real time-saving machines that can handle your cleaning automatically while you work, relax, or sleep. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top robot vacuums based on cleaning performance, smart navigation, maintenance automation, and overall value. Links to all the featured products are provided in the description below, so be sure to check them out and grab the latest deals. Let's get started. Number 5. Roborock Saros 10R. The Roborock Saros 10R is one of the best choices for homes with pets, especially if you deal with constant pet hair. It combines powerful suction with a dual anti-tangle brush system that actively prevents hair from wrapping around the rollers. Unlike many robot vacuums that require frequent maintenance, this system minimizes manual cleaning and keeps performance consistent. The vacuum uses Roborock's StarSight 2.0 navigation system, allowing it to map and clean efficiently instead of moving randomly. Its AI-powered obstacle detection can identify and avoid over 100 object types, including small items like pet toys. A standout feature is the retractable LiDAR sensor, which lowers the vacuum's height so it can clean under furniture where hair and dust typically accumulate. For pet owners, the key advantage here is consistent, low-maintenance cleaning with reliable performance. Number 4. Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni. The Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni offers a strong balance between premium features and overall value. It performs well across multiple surfaces, including hardwood, tile, and carpet, making it ideal for mixed-floor homes. The Zero Tangle 3.0 system uses a V-shaped roller and anti-tangle side brushes to reduce maintenance. Its mopping system stands out with the Osmo roller, which self-washes during operation to prevent streaks and maintain clean results. The Omni Station automates most maintenance tasks, including washing and drying the mop, refilling water, and emptying the dustbin. This allows for extended hands-free use with minimal intervention required for long periods. Overall, it delivers strong cleaning performance and convenience in a well-rounded package. Number 3. Dreame L50 Ultra. The Dreame L50 Ultra is designed to solve one of the most common problems with robot vacuums, getting stuck on obstacles. It features the ProLeap system, which uses retractable legs to climb over thresholds and uneven surfaces. This allows it to move between rooms and handle elevation changes that stop most other robot vacuums. The HyperStream detangling duo brush system manages long hair effectively, reducing tangling while maintaining strong suction performance. Its advanced motor provides powerful cleaning across different surfaces while maintaining controlled noise levels. The main advantage of this model is improved coverage, ensuring it can access areas that traditional robot vacuums often miss. Number 2. Narwal Flow. The Narwal Flow introduces some of the most advanced cleaning innovations in this category. Its real-time self-cleaning mop system uses hot water while cleaning, preventing the spread of dirt and maintaining consistent mopping performance. It also applies downward pressure, improving stain removal compared to standard robot mops. The Twin AI obstacle avoidance system uses dual cameras and advanced recognition to identify objects accurately, reducing collisions and navigation errors. With strong suction power and a tangle-free design, it handles both fine dust and larger debris effectively. Features like carpet focus improve cleaning efficiency on carpets by creating a tighter seal. The base station automates cleaning, drying, and debris management, making the entire system highly hands-off. This model focuses on innovation and automation, offering a more advanced cleaning experience. Number 1. Roborock QRevo CurveX. The Roborock QRevo CurveX stands out as the best overall robot vacuum in 2026. It delivers excellent suction and strong mopping performance while maintaining consistent reliability. The system is designed to handle daily cleaning without requiring constant attention. The docking station automates key maintenance tasks, including washing and drying the mop, emptying the dustbin, and managing water refills. Its navigation system accurately maps the home and moves efficiently around furniture and obstacles. It transitions smoothly between different floor types, maintaining strong performance across surfaces. What makes this model the best overall choice is its balance. It does not rely on a single standout feature, but instead delivers consistent performance, ease of use, and reliability across all aspects of cleaning. So that's it for the best robot vacuums you can buy in 2026. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to ICS Tech for more smart home and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.